Hi everyone, it's Helen from Witchcrafts. Today we're going to be opening October's Papergang box. So last week it was World Mental Health Day, and this actually arrived on that day, which I think was the 11th of October, but I haven't had a chance to do anything with it until now. This box is in support of the mental health charity Blurt. For every box sold, £1 goes towards increasing awareness and understanding of depression. So let's have a look and see what we've got in here today. So if you don't know what Papergang is, it's a UK-based stationery subscription service where you pay a monthly fee and then they select and send out some lovely stationery. There's a featured artist every month. For every 4 boxes that they make, they plant a tree in association with Tree Aid, so it's good, environmentally friendly. It's a UK-based company, but they do ship worldwide. And if you want to get your own box, then you can have a look at the link in the description below to be able to get yourself your own box. So we've got some lovely jazzy orange tissue paper. Let's see what we've got. Feels like quite a lot this month. Ooh. Okay, so there's normally a little, there it is, right, so there's a little booklet that tells you what everything is. And we've got here some scratch and reveal postcards. So they're like a sort of like a scratch card where they've got this coating, and then obviously you scratch that off to reveal something hidden underneath, and they've got sort of motivational words: do, dream, listen, nurture and trust. These are rather nice. Every month you get a calendar card, which is very useful if you do bullet journaling or even just to go into your regular diary, and it just adds a little bit of a pop of colour. And what's this? Oh, this is a happiness planner. So, it's got some stickers. So this has got, oh I see, it's like a daily planner, and it allows you to plan out what you're going to do for the day, but in terms of things that make you happy. We've got some jazzy pens which are branded Oh Dear, which is the company that make the Papergang box. It looks like a fine liner nib on one end, and then on the other end is a brush nib. So there's 4 of those in some nice bright colours. And then, what's this? Okay, so this is huge. This is probably A2, I want to say. And it says, trust that beautiful things are coming. And this is an empty piece of artwork that matches in with the theme of the box this month. So it's got the same shapes. And how this works, if I just fold it up so we can read the bottom, is you have a chance of winning 6 months of Papergang for free by decorating this poster and then uploading this onto Instagram with the hashtag Papergang poster. So, or you can email it. So the deadline for this is the end of November. That looks like fun. I think I might try that. That would be a good thing to do in a future video. I've got a few ideas already for sort of mixed media to make this look really pretty. So then this is the little booklet, and in here it will tell you more about the artist and also if there's a charity that they're supporting. So it tells you about Blurt, the mental health charity, and what they do and why it's important. And then here's some information about the artist, which is Melanie Johnson. So it's just talking about how her art helps her to stay happy. So there we go, just a very quick video just to show you what came in the Papergang box, because I didn't want to leave it too much longer before I uploaded. I will definitely be having a go at decorating this poster, so watch out for that. Video coming Wednesday will be revealing who is the winner of my watercolour art set giveaway. So if you haven't done so already, please do watch that video and enter my competition. I'll put a link to it in the iCard up here and in the description down below. So if you haven't done so already, then please do go ahead, click on that and watch the video and enter the competition. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!